Hi guys, we have here the nail polish counter display. As you can see here, designed to hold 50 bottles. Just want to give you guys a quick look at the product, how you receive it. It comes like this in a box. Let's go ahead and open this up. Give you guys a quick look at the display. This one sits on the counter, not a wall display. So it comes like this. You have to set it up yourself. It's not set up. So it comes with these two pieces here, as you can see. And then you have the nail polish rack, nicely secured in the bubble wrapping, as you can see here. Let's go ahead and remove the bubble wrap so you guys can have a look at the products. As you can see here, it also has the screws in order to hold the nail polish rack upright. So there you have it, the nail polish rack. As you can see here, it has about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. I can hold about 50 different nail polishes. So you're looking at OPI, China Glaze, Young Nails, Shellac, IBD, and so forth. Many nail polishes. It also comes these two pieces here. You have to screw them in order to let them be secured and be held on a countertop. We do also have the ones that you can attach to a wall for you bigger salons out there. Those can carry up to 120 nail polishes. So if you're looking to purchase this or any of the nail polish racks or any nail polish products, please visit the link in the description below. Please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.